What's up guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to change the reverse switch on the Miata. The reason why I'm changing mine out is that with the ignition on and I put the car in reverse, the reverse lights won't come on. First thing to do is to raise the vehicle and set it on some jack stands. I'm raising it from the subframe, and make sure your parking brake is on. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. So the reverse switch is located right towards the back of the transmission, right on top of the exhaust pipe. You see it right there. And you can see why my reverse lights weren't working. As you can see, that wire is not even attached. To get this off, I'm going to use this adjustable wrench. So after you bust your knuckles taking this thing off, make sure to get the copper washer that may be stuck on the transmission. As you can see, here's my old part right here. That washer is not on it. You can see it's still there. So here's what that copper washer looks like. This is a gasket. This prevents oil from coming out of the transmission. So here's my other part right here, my new one. I got this off of Amazon. This is a Standard Motor Products. Here's the part number right here. This thing's way cheaper getting it on Amazon than it is getting it at the parts store. And it says made in Japan, so this should be a good part. So on the other side of the transmission, there's this one wire that goes over it. That's the wire that goes to the switch. It's really hard to get it from the top, so my plan is to connect the new sensor on this side of the transmission and then throw it over and then screw it back into place. I did this so that way I don't dirty the sensor when I throw it back over. So these are banana connectors. To remove these, you just pull them apart. I got the new sensor connected to it, so I'm gonna throw it over the transmission. All right, I got that new sensor up and over. Remember to put this copper washer back on before you install the new part. All right, I got that new sensor installed. When you guys are installing this, do not over tighten this, because this transmission is made out of aluminum and you can easily strip out this hole. So make sure to tighten it just enough so that way it won't leak and it won't come loose. With that part in, the ignition is on. We'll go ahead and put the car in reverse. And we got a reverse light. And that wraps up this quick video. I'll include that part in the description down below. Hopefully this helps a lot of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.